the substance in which current can easily flows are called conductors. ऐसे सब्सटेंस जिनमें इजीली करंट फ्लो हो जाता है उनको कंडक्टर्स कहते हैं. कंडक्टर्स में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. कंडक्टर कंटेन्स फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड व्हेन वी अप्लाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अक्रॉस कंडक्टर then free electrons are moves opposite to the direction of electric field. In this way the conductor can flow the electric current. For example, all the metals, human body, animal body and earth are conductors. Next, इंसुलेटर्स कहते हैं द सब्सटेंस इन विच करंट कैन नॉट फ्लो आर कॉल्ड द इंसुलेटर्स. इंसुलेटर्स डू नॉट हैव फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. व्हेन वी अप्लाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अक्रॉस इंसुलेटर्स then their electrons are not moves, therefore they provide the high resistance. For example, plastic, rubber, wood, these substances are the insulators. Now one question arises that if we rubbed comb with hair then it is electrified, but metal article like spoon does not electrified. Why it is so? The reason behind it is comb is insulator, so charge stay on it, but metal article spoon, this is conductor, and our body is also conductor, earth is also conductor, so charge appears at the metal spoon is moved towards our body and then to earth. In this way we cannot charge the metal spoon because our body is conductor, metal spoon is conductor and earth is also conductors.